when the kite's flying in circles, it makes the tether go wind up. So we have a motor that detwists the other end of the tether at the ground station. But since that's going around and around, but we need to have the power come in. So the power is coming in from the kite through these cables, the medium voltage, goes through this, and then the idea is that the power is transferred through a slip ring, which means it can rotate and still transmit the power by sliding contacts. And then the power comes out on the ground, but it's not all tangled up like your telephone cord, which it would be if it wasn't. This is actually a double one. There's a little skinny one inside this part of it for all the little teeny tiny wires. Also have to, for encoders, have to be gone through rotation so they don't twist it. And that's the one that failed on ground station 2. And this is building up our replacement. I'm trying to make it fit. Because it's a different shape than the one that came out. So things that were manufactured to fit the original don't quite fit the other, so things have to get modified. So it's kind of a just improvise a little bit. But these blocks, there's a plate, a round plate inside that's rotating. And the blocks stay stationary as the plate rotates, but it's copper, so they're constantly in contact with it on 4 different places, and there's conductive lubrication. And
did it just get corroded, or?
I'm not sure. It uses a slightly different technology that has a film of mercury that makes the contacts. And this failed in the ground station, which is really not detwisting that much. It's not, we're not flying a crosswind wing that's actually winding up a tether, so we don't use that motion that much. So that may either been a problem because of it sitting idle for a long time, of something settling or mercury draining to one end, and then when you finally turn it, and then it's sort of like rotating your tires. If you don't, just sit on them for too long, they'll go flat on it, get a flat spot. So it may have been something like that, or something else.